guys. Okay, so we are starting this video real raw and uncut, but we're starting on my phone because I forgot my camera at home. I wanted to film because I'm going to HomeGoods right now, and I probably shouldn't be going to HomeGoods because I still need a dinner table, and so yeah, I should be prioritizing other things than decor. But I'm just gonna go look. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys along with me because I love watching fall decor shopping videos on YouTube. They're so fun. So I'll see you guys at the store. I honestly don't even remember why I came here. Candles. Guys, Annie's, if you're watching, this is my girl Annie's jean jacket. It's 50 degrees today, and I don't have a denim jacket. I'll wash it, I promise. Thank you. Skims, Lululemon, Annie's jacket from American Eagle, I think. So for the entryway of my apartment, I wanted to get like a console table thing, and obviously I really want to do like a black mirror, round mirror. But I think this one has this brown thing. I don't know how I feel about that. Oh shit. Oh, this one's kind of cute. What is that material? I don't know. Looks cute though. Later in the day, well, is 5 p.m. 5 p.m. considered evening? I think so, right? So it is 5:08 p.m. to be exact. I have just been sitting here on my laptop in the living room, just looking for things online, like fall clothes to order, so I can shoot some content in. I don't think I'm gonna be doing much. I just kind of want to tidy up a little bit in here because it is a little bit messy, and I have to make some dinner for myself right now. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be making for dinner. I'm gonna be making salmon, rice, and cucumber, like a cucumber salad. It is so freaking good. So I wanted to show you guys how I make that. And then I'm probably gonna be doing some skincare tonight because I feel like my skin really needs it. I wanna do some microdermabrasion. I feel like my skin just feels like, yeah, like I could use that. I'm gonna be making some food now because I'm absolutely starving. So let's get started on that. Okay, so we are going to be using Faye Total Zero Greek yogurt as like the base for the salad. Okay, and then you're gonna need a lime, and then we will need salt and pepper, okay, and then garlic, crushed garlic, minced garlic. Wow, this is potent. This garlic is so potent. So I'm just doing a little bit because that's strong. Okay guys, and this is the cucumber salad, and it's super healthy because the Greek yogurt is low calorie and high protein. Greek yogurt is so good for you also, so this is really good. Okay guys, so I just got out of the shower. My hair is still wet. That's why I have it up in a bun. Okay, you probably can't see me, so let me close my door. I still use the same hair oil. It's the Mizani 25 Miracle Nourishing Oil. I feel like no matter what I do, if I get a haircut, my ends always are so dry. Like, does that mean I'm like deficient in some vitamins or something? And like I said, I am going to microdermabrade my face. Microdermabrade my face. I can't see, you guys. I'm literally super blind, so I'm gonna have to put my glasses on. But I literally bought this one at Walmart. I bought it at Walmart for 25 bucks, and it really does the job. I just use the head that looks like cement. It honestly does look like cement. I do like to use the high setting, but we'll just try it out because I don't want to bruise myself. I always tend to bruise myself when I do this, but it's worth it because the bruising will go away after like a day. You have to like pull back on your skin and then do it the opposite way. I was doing exactly what I said. It tugs on my face a little bit and it's red. My face is very sensitive, so literally anything I do to my face irritates it. So I've been very simple with my face lately, and it's actually been doing me good, and I haven't been needing to put a lot of product, and actually less is more sometimes. And just because I don't have an oil, but I would really like to start putting oil on my face because I feel like my face can be very dry. I do have dry skin, but this has been doing it for me right now. I'm just using the Pond's Even Skin Tone. No, just kidding. The Pond's Clarent B3 Dark Spot Correcting Cream. Oh my gosh, my skin feels amazing. I'm telling you guys. Okay, so then I go with the same thing I've always gone with, is my Shiseido Bio Performance Eye Cream. This stuff is magical. I will always stand by it. I do like to use my Revita Lash. This is my Revita Brow for my brows, because my eyebrows look so horribly uneven on camera. I don't know why. They really don't look like that in person though. It's weird. Oh. You see this like little corner right here? And then last, for my eyes, I use my Revita Lash. This stuff lasts forever because you really don't need a lot. You just need this little speckle is enough. You just want to do it as if it were an eyeliner or something. And then last but not least, my favorite part is lips. I just use my Tatcha, the Kesu lip mask. This stuff will literally make your lips feel like butter in the morning. That is it for this video, you guys. I am going to go to bed because I am trying to get a head start, an early start for tomorrow, Monday. I'm super excited for the new week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. And if not, I mean, I feel like this video was pretty chill. I feel like that was kind of the vibe I was going for. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.